NTT Communications.
Good afternoon and welcome to the NTT Global Forum. This is the second time this forum has been held in Europe. Last year we were in London. Why, you may think, Frankfurt? Well, with the ECB up the road and surrounded by the Mittelstand, it's one of the only places left with any money, so we thought we'd come here. Frankfurt is also, more pertinently to our business, the place with the largest internet exchange point in Europe. This fundamentally underlies our business, and you will see more and more of that explained during the day. It's also the home of some high art. Goethe, the great German literature writer, playwright, who kind of inspired the theme for today. He said that knowing is not enough, we must apply. Willing is not enough, we must do. So we thought we'd take that and, instead of talking about transformational journeys, another marketing blurb, I am the marketing director after all, instead of talking about those transformational journeys, we'd like to focus on the reality of the situation, the reality of cloud. So we've looked at real solutions, real progress, and real ICT, and a number of our customers have gratefully agreed to speak and share their projects and their strategies that I hope will touch and ring a chord with a lot of what people are thinking in the room and the projects they may be working on as we move forward. So we're grateful for René Berenda from Canon, from Alphonse Wallers from Dorma, and from Gerhard Höhner from SMA Solar for coming to share their experiences with us, and we hope that they are informative for you. Mr. Arima, our President and CEO, will give a keynote speech at the first session, and Mr. Moribayashi, our MD for NTT Europe, will give a keynote session for the start of the second session after the coffee break. Mr. Praxmara from Experton will give us an analysis of the whole cloud market and new role for CIO. And then we'll finish up with a presentation from Linford Christie, which should be a bit more light-hearted, we hope, and a bit more interesting for people, given that we're in the Olympic year. Okay, so we have a number of gifts. As you can see, we're an ICT company, so it's pencils and papers. I hope you like them. They are very good quality, good German quality, of course. We will also be raffling at the end of the day a number of Canon gifts, nice cameras for some of our customers and partners to win. No NTT people in that draw, so except for me, of course. So without further ado, I'd like to introduce Mr. Arima-san to talk about the Seamless Cloud Vision. Arima-san.
Thank you, and good afternoon. I'm happy to be back in Germany with so many friends, partners, and guests. Today, I would like to present the global cloud vision of NTT Communications. But first, let me tell you about our company. NTT Com is a member of NTT Group, the world's largest telecom company, and ranked 29 on the 2012 Fortune Global 500. In May, the group reported operating revenue of about 100 billion euro. NTT Com provides international and long-distance services as well as ICT solutions. NTT Com has its own large networks of subsidiaries. In addition to original overseas subsidiaries like NTT Europe, a number of companies joined our group recently via M&A. These include Integralis, a German-based ICT security service firm, Emilio, a Singapore-based IT outsourcing firm, Berio, a US-based hosting provider, Frontline, an Australia-based ICT service provider, and DXSI, a Philippine-based ICT solution provider. The latest addition includes 2 data center service providers, NetMagic Solution in India and Gyron in the UK. NTT Com posted consolidated operating revenue of about 12 billion euro last year. NTT has offices in 85 cities in 30 countries. We have more than 16,000 employees worldwide. About 6,000 are based outside Japan. We offer the network connection to more than 150 countries. To help us become a trusted ICT partner of a customer worldwide, last October, we introduced our global cloud vision for enterprise services. Companies now view cloud service as a key corporate tools for raising productivity, facilitating innovation, and reducing cost. How? By using cloud service to integrate on-premise IT systems that are widely dispersed among different locations and offices. NTT helps these companies create cloud-based ICT systems by providing them with a global total ICT outsourcing service for all areas, including networks, cloud platforms, applications, and security. I would like to talk to you about key features of our global cloud vision. The basic aims of our vision is to provide a total ICT outsourcing service on a global scale to help corporate customers achieve their goals. Let's look at these key features, starting with global infrastructure. NTT can offer seamless global cloud services using its data centers and network worldwide. Including facility still under construction, we operate 145 data centers around the world. Server room space totals 170,000 square meters. We continue to add prime data centers in the strategic locations. In April, we opened the Singapore Silicon Data Center and the CyberJazz Free Data Center in Malaysia. Next spring, we will open the TKO Data Center in Hong Kong and Tokyo No. 6 Data Center in Japan. Meanwhile, our new member, NetMagic Solutions and Gyron, have strengthened our delivery of data center service worldwide. Another element of our global infrastructure is global networks. NTT owns numerous submarine cable systems. I would like to mention two. The Asian Submarine Cable Express just launched this August, and the PC-1. Both are ultra-low latency, high-capacity backbones. ASC connected Japan, Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaysia, and Philippines. The ASC linked with the PC-1 is the fastest trans-Pacific route from Asian countries to the US. These two cable systems connect data centers in major Asian countries and the US, providing a foundation for NTT's high-speed cloud platform. Second, our global networks are seamlessly connected to our cloud service. Customers who use Arcstar Universal WAN, NTT's managed network service, do not need to prepare separate networks connected to our cloud service, and they do not pay extra charge for data transfer. Third feature of our global cloud vision is the cloud service themselves. Enterprise Cloud is the world's first commercial global enterprise cloud service with open flow software-defined network technology and an integrated customer portal, which I will discuss later. Also in March, we introduced Cloud N, our new public cloud service with more than 150 APIs, including those compatible with the Amazon Web Services. It's a scalable, low-cost solution for software developer, content provider, and other corporate clients. What are the benefits of SDN incorporated in our enterprise cloud? Without this technology, the administrator must separately configure each network devices, including switches, load balancers, firewalls, and so on. This complicated and labor-intensive process requires a long lead time for network implementation. But thanks to SDN technology, setting can be simplified and automated. without configuring individual network devices. As a result, service can be implemented very quickly and used when required. SDN also enables customers to transfer data to other data centers on demand. This is especially used for BCP to ensure continued operation in times of pandemics, natural disasters, and so on. SDN also enables scaling out between and within data centers, providing more flexibility for ICT system of customers. Let me explain our enterprise cloud deployment plan and the virtualized network center concept. Enterprise cloud was launched in Japan and Hong Kong in June. It will expand to UK, US, and Singapore by the end of 2012. And Thailand, Malaysia, Australia by March of 2013. Our SDN provides a necessary connection within and between data centers. In short, customers can use multiple data centers worldwide as if they were accessing only one data center. Our customers can change settings by themselves through their integrated customer portal. As a result, platform scaling out and data migration are highly flexible and on demand. In near future, the portal will include other NTT common services such as networks, voice, security, and SaaS. These portals also allow NTT Com to automate its own back-office operations and reduce its own operating costs. Eventually, we pass these savings on to customers in the form of lower prices. The fourth feature of our vision is global cloud migration. Our migration service includes two important features: system consulting and standardized menu for migration to cloud services. As an ICT provider, NTT Com has vast experience with system migration. We use this know-how to provide efficient planning, migration, and operation after migration. Everything offered on a one-stop basis. NTT Com also forms a partnership to supplement its strengths. We pursue strategic partnership with third parties for business consulting and migrating customized applications to the cloud. We also plan to enhance migration by leveraging SDN. Using tunneling technology of SDN, we connect to our enterprise cloud and the customer's on-premise environment by putting two systems into the same LAN segment virtually. This enables us to provide a simplified migration to the cloud without changing the customer's private IP address and without having to make a complicated system setting. This brings me to our global total security service, the fifth feature. Security is a major concern for cloud services. As attacks on ICT system becomes more sophisticated, our managed security service offers a comprehensive protection for our enterprise cloud service as well as the customer's on-premise systems. We are developing enhanced security service in partnership with our security expert subsidiary, Integrate and Secode. The last feature of our global cloud vision is application service. We provide essential applications such as email, storage, virtual desktops, and on a SaaS basis. We also offer high-quality VoIP, UCaaS, other voice communication services on our global platform. Before I close, let me tell you about one of our customers. This is a multinational manufacturer with revenue of about 3.8 billion euros. Its main products are optical instruments and medical devices and electronics. As a multinational company, the customer was faced with some big challenges. They especially wanted to increase the speed of their global deployment and manage the ICT ICT asset of their global locations. So NTT.com proposed a total ICT outsourcing package, and the customer adopted our solutions. Today, NTT.com total ICT outsourcing service, the customer can make a deployment worldwide with minimum ICT asset, quickly implement operation startups and shutdowns, as well as M&A, and maintain strong IT governance. We estimate they have cut their ICT costs by more than 30%. Through global total ICT outsourcing, we aim to grow as a leading global player and a trusted partner for customers worldwide. Innovative, reliable, seamless. This is the core of NTT, a global ICT partner that helps customers reach their present and future potential. Thank you.
NTT Communications.